This video tutorial I will explain REST API best practices. Imagine you are at a restaurant. You want to order some food. The restaurant has menu with all the dishes they offer. To place an order, you will follow certain steps. First, choose your dish. You look at the menu and decide what you want to eat. Then you ask the waiter. You call the waiter and tell him the name of the dish you want to eat. Then wait for your food. The kitchen prepares your dish, and once the food is ready, the waiter brings the food to your table. Now translate this example into the world of computers and internet, specifically with websites and apps which are talking to each other. Choose your dish, which is equivalent to resource in computer world. In a REST API, there are different pieces of information that you can ask for. These could be details about the user, details about the product, a photo, or any other kind of information that the website or app provides. Ask the waiter, which is equivalent to API request in computer world. To get the information you want, your website or app sends request to the server. Just like you are telling the waiter your order. This request says what dish you want and how you want it to be prepared. Wait for your food, which is equivalent to API response in computer world. The server receives your request, processes the request, and prepares the information you asked for. Once it is ready, the server sends the information back to your website or app, which is similar to how the waiter brings your food to your table. Now, just like a restaurant, there are some best practices to make sure this process goes smoothly and everyone is happy. Clear menu, which is equivalent to well-defined endpoints in computer world. The restaurant menu should be clear and organized. Similarly, the API should have well-defined endpoints that clearly state what kind of information you can ask for. Next one is correct ordering, which is equivalent to HTTP methods in computer world. In a restaurant, you order by telling the waiter what you want. But in an API, you use different verbs. Verbs is nothing but HTTP methods. Post, put, delete, get, etc. Which is used to specify what you want to do. You want to get the information or create something new or update something or delete something. The next one is consistent recipe, which is equivalent to consistent data format in computer world. In a restaurant, the same dish should have same taste and presentation every time. Similarly, the API should use consistent data format to present the information. Example of data formats are JSON or XML. So your website or app knows what to expect. The next one is no surprises, which is equivalent to error handling. If something goes wrong, like the kitchen running out of ingredients, the waiter lets you know. Like that, API should also communicate clearly when there is a problem. So your website or app can handle it gracefully. The next one is efficient service and which is equivalent to optimization in computer world. Just like a well-run restaurant is efficient, API should be designed for good performance. This means using right tools and techniques. We have to make sure things happen quickly and smoothly. So REST API best practices are like a set of guidelines to ensure that when websites and apps talks to each other, they do it in a way that is organized, clear and efficient, just like a smooth experience at a restaurant. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.